The fully automated SWT planing line is yet another innovative new development made by Kuper. It includes workpiece handling and is designed for four-sided planing of window scantlings with automated cutting out of the glazing bead. The perfect tool for window and door manufacturers and anyone who wants to process solid wood scantlings automatically. Start the automated process with the latest generation of the Kuper HMI. Graphic visualization of the complete process is provided in real time. The result is, you can control the complete material flow digitally. Any malfunctions in the process are detected and corrected quickly. That's Kuper for you. Process reliability and user-friendly efficiency from the get-go. The removal unit transfers a complete layer of scantlings to a conveyor belt. The system measures the length, width, and height and checks the convexity and concavity. After all, first-class quality requires absolute precision. If everything is correct, the scantlings are transported further with a defined gap. Otherwise, the complete layer is returned to the trolley. You'll hear more about that later. The advantage is extremely low risk of malfunctions thanks to clean scantling positioning and high process reliability. Now the transfer bar pulls the scantlings to the stop on the dressing table of the Kuper SWT XL6. The pieces are raised slightly for a particularly smart workflow. The intermediate transport has a maximum capacity of 2 complete layers, thereby buffering any delays in loading, e.g. caused by faulty pieces. Kuper Smart. The previously measured dimensions are digitally transmitted to the SWT XL6 for precise adjustment of the planing settings. If the curve is within the toleranced dimension or dressing dimension is automatically set to the same planing thickness on the sides. It is possible to cut out a glazing bead or simply plane the scantling on 4 sides as required. By the way, all pieces in a layer can be machined separately. Kuper flexibility. During further transport, the scantlings can be tilted by 180 degrees or turned by 180 degrees depending on the positioning requirements. This allows the processed pieces to be transferred to the downstream machines in any position. Kuper ingenuity. The scantling is then returned to the trolley via the roller conveyor, but now in reverse order. Finally, the data for the finished scantlings, including the correct position, is transmitted to the customer's ERP system. Incidentally, changing the trolley is extremely simple. The operator pushes the trolley with up to 80 scantlings to the indicated position and selects the right trolley in the control system. The positioning lever is used to pull the trolley to its final position and lock it at the same time. The loading and unloading station can process scantlings aligned on either the left or the right side. Let's talk about the sensor-controlled error detection again. If deviations or values outside the tolerance occur, the affected piece and its entire layer are returned to the trolley. The control system shows the operator the faulty piece. In this example, it's at the top left in the second position. A belt-powered transport aid integrated in the Kuper SWT permits automated processing of even very small scantlings. Once a glazing bead has been cut out, it is discharged at the downstream angular transfer, where it can simply be collected. Kuper practicality. Depending on the production layout, each scantling can be transported directly to the next machining process or collected cleanly in a trolley. If scantlings are stored in a trolley, an additional module permits scantling separation, fully automatically and controlled via the Kuper HMI, of course. The new innovative Kuper SWT planing line, the perfect solution for automated machining of solid scantlings.